As we continue to explore the landscape of various Hadoop distributions, I want to show you two of the other popular distributions. One is Hortonworks and another one is MapR. So here we are at the Hortonworks website, and if you take a look at the products, you can see that Hortonworks sells the Hortonworks data platform, and they're on HDP 2.2. An interesting implementation detail of Hortonworks is that they have distributions that are available not only on Unix, but also on Windows. They, in fact, worked with the Microsoft team to develop Microsoft's Azure implementation of Hadoop as well. But to be clear, for Hortonworks implementation, you can download their version of Hadoop and install it on a local set of Windows servers, which for some customers is a good solution. In addition to what's shown here, you can get started quickly and easily with their sandbox or on a web-hosted version of Hadoop. You can see that you can download and set it up quickly and easily. Now let's take a look at another distribution, which is MapR. MapR has taken yet another twist to their distribution of Hadoop, and they have changed the file system that they work with. So if you take a look, you can see that they have a NoSQL file system because their customers have found that they want that NoSQL implementation. In addition, they have add-ons from the Apache open source world that add additional functionality that are particular for their customers, so Drill and Spark and Search. They also have a sandbox, and they have availability in the cloud. Another tip when you're studying Hadoop is to look for developer resources. Most of the major vendors have developer information and developer samples. So if I go to the developer preview for MapR, you can see that you have an ability to work with new features. Again, when you are selecting a vendor for distribution, these vendors take different directions in terms of the projects that they support. So you're going to want to research the different libraries, see which ones are of most interest to you, and see which vendors have the greatest support. You can see, for example, here that MapR is supporting a project called Apache Tez. And again, it takes a lot of time to stay up with all these various frameworks. And you can see Apache Tez builds on top of Yarn. And you might remember from a previous movie that that is MapReduce 2 and gives you high-performance batch as well as interactive applications on Hadoop. So one of the trends in terms of the Hadoop ecosystem is there are these new libraries which add some aspect of interactive query. It's not the same thing as a relational database. There's still much more latency, but they add that in addition to batch-based query for workloads that necessitate that.